Now we're going to look at deleting. So for a user, when you want to delete a file in 12D Synergy, it's not a permanent delete. It's more like a remove from view. So for example, if I clicked on that document, then right-clicked and select delete, I could go file deleted and say not required, set and submit, and you'll see that that document is no longer visible. For all intents and purposes, it has been deleted. However, because this is a data management program, it's not a permanent delete, and you may need to recall that. So to do that, we come up to the View menu and we select Show Deleted Items. You'll see your document now, but you'll note that in the State column, it is marked as deleted. So you cannot edit this document, but to make any changes, we can restore it. So let's right-click on it and you select Restore. You can give it a comment. I'm going to say oops, and then submit. It will change the state back to none and hit OK that it's restored. And now we can edit and change items on this document again. When you've done this, of course, don't forget to go back to the View menu and turn off the Show Deleted Items.